How to fix BSOD error on Windows 11. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix BSOD error on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the registry editor on your PC. Once it is opened, go to H key local machine. Then go to System. After that, go to Current Control Set. Now expand the control and here go to Store Port. Once you are here, right click on it and then select this folder and rename it to HMD allocation policy. Now right click on this folder and select modify from this menu. A pop will appear on your screen. Here set the value data to 0. If you get the BSOD error after setting 0, then set it to 2 and save it. Lastly, restart your PC or laptop and your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix BSOD error on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.